guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffeney for those of you that are new, for those of you that are not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me installing, my second video of me showing you guys me installing a lace frontal wig. So this is my first one, was a color wig. Now this one's going to be a black and it's a full lace, so it's supposed to be like something like a 360, I think, something like it. So this is what the hair looks like. I already took it out of the bag. This is what it looks like. Yeah, that's about it. It's really soft. I love it. And you can find this wig on www.mainconceptair.com. So let's get into this video. So guys, I'm gonna get my little mirror so we can start. Now, first thing first, before you apply any paste or any airspray to your forehead, if you have oily skin or just have a cotton, put some alcohol on it. Just a little top bit, not too much. So now that I've cleaned my forehead, now I'm gonna go in with my Bold All Active paste. I want to also put around my hairline here. So here I'm gonna go in with this. But since I can't see at the back of my head, I'm gonna go. I put that exactly where it needs to be. Okay. A little hair get caught in it, but it's okay. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm about to go do my edges. Ooh, I'm still trying to figure out this whole big stuff. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Side part, middle part. when it's finiato. It's starting to heat up as yet. Nope. We have to wait. I'm gonna get a little front powder and put it in the middle here, seeming that I did not bleach my roots or bleach the scalp. Does it look a little bit real? Let's go take out this shit and see. Did I just curse? Oh my god. I forgot. Y'all, my edge is looking crazy. I'm gonna go redo them, like, no cap. Like, look at this mess. Hold on. Yo, my edge is still looking crazy. I think I did alright on the hair itself. But I need to learn how to do my edges better. Like, I want to learn to perfect it. It's looking too fake. Like, I don't want all the extra stuff. Oh, I'm back. Okay, let me try this one more time. I feel like I can redo my edges. Like, I don't like a look. Okay guys, I'm gonna be back because I'm finna go fake this edgy stuff real quick and be back. So guys, I'm back. So I went and redid my baby ears because I didn't like how it was at first, and probably still don't like how it is right now, but it's gonna work for the sake of the video. And also I took out the side part and put in the middle part. The middle part is not too big because I couldn't find my tweezer to plug that too. So I'm still gonna post this video because all my time spent today, I'm not gonna waste it just because of one thing. Because the perfectionist in me, I want to trash the entire video, but I'm not gonna do so. But okay, it's whatever. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and let me know how you think I did on this. Just let me know. And nothing else more. Have a great day, guys. I hope one side is not looking bigger than the other side, because why? Or is it myself that I'm